Okay, what is people nearby in the Telegram? I mean this option. At first it is going on to turn on your GPS, locate your IP and where are you right now. Then it will start finding the people who are near to you. So let's do it and see who is nearby me. I press on the turn on. In here you need to enable access my location and again go back. In here you'll see make myself visible. If you want to be visible by the other people, you can enable this option and you are visible to the people that they are near to you, so they will see your contacts. Okay, they can start messaging to you. In here we have groups nearby. What is the group nearby? Okay, let me again choose this one. These are people nearby, make myself visible, and in here we have group nearby. In here you can create a local group. For example, you can add your neighborhood, or you can create a group that only your hood is on it. Here's the group by nearby and make my account visible, make myself visible. By default you are not visible and this option is not available for you, but when you jump into it you will see these details. Okay, I press on make myself visible. Show your profile or not, I told these things. If you press on the OK, it will stop showing your profile on this app and you are not visible to the other people. So if you don't like that your neighbors and these kind of things know your location and I mean find your Telegram account, disable this option. Right now it is on red and it says stop showing me. The groups nearby, again it's if you press on it, is going to start creating a local group. I told how to create groups, but in here the difference between create a local group and create a group is instead of showing you the contacts, your contacts, you will see the people who are near to you and you can add them into this group. And go to the people nearby and you will see the people that are near to me. If I press show more, it detects 95 people who are near to me, and with this way I can see them. Okay, these are the people nearby and these are the people, and this is the local groups. These are the local groups that are created, and if you want to create a local group you can press on it and press on start group, type your group name, and in here it says Albors and this is the location of you. So if you press on the next, your local group, it will be created and it will show it like these things that are in here, and it will be available for the other people so they can watch your group and find out your group. With this way you can promote your group, and it's a cool option.